Second round, for the main courses, we have some butter chicken, some lamb curry. We have some chicken tikka masala, biryani, potato curry, savory rice, dal, paella, you name it. And obviously, you know I'm going to start off with the butter chicken and the lamb curry because I am a big fan of curry. And you must dab that up with some rotis, of course. Look how nice that the rotis look, flaky. And now we're going to try this. So we started off with the butter chicken, of course. Just look how nice and creamy that looks. Guys, that was flavors bouncing on my tongue. Definitely a must try. Some nice lamb curry. It was just the right amount of spice. Super delicious. Definitely a must try, honestly.